Okay, y'all, the Xteink X4 just arrived, and for a budget e-reader, this little thing has been getting a lot of attention. Let's open it up and see if it's actually worth the hype. Hey, I'm Shelby, and this is Shelby's Vibe, your safe corner for lifestyle, cozy chaos, and stuff that just makes anxiety chill out. Let's vibe. Today, we're unboxing the Xteink X4, a super affordable e-reader that's been trending lately for being lightweight, simple, and perfect for people who want a distraction-free reading experience without spending a ton. So here's the thing. Not everyone wants or needs a $200 plus e-reader. Sometimes you just want something that lets you read your EPUBs, relax, and escape without notifications, apps, or a heavy price tag. I've been looking for a backup device, something I can throw in my bag, take on trips, or use when I don't want to risk my more expensive readers. That's where the X4 caught my eye. All right, let's get into the box. First impression, the packaging is simple, nothing fancy, but honestly, that's expected at this price point. Here's the device, and wow, it's lightweight, like feather light. The matte finish feels nice, and the size is perfect for one-hand reading. Inside the box, we have one Xteink X4 E-Reader, one quick start guide, 2 magnetic rings, 2 protective films, 1 micro SD card, and that's pretty much it. Let's power it on. Okay, that's actually faster than I expected. The screen is a standard black and white e-ink display. No frills, but clean and easy on the eyes. The bezels are slim, the buttons feel responsive, and the whole thing is surprisingly comfortable. The interface is simple, very minimal, which I actually love. No clutter, no distractions, just books, your files, and your reading time. For something this affordable, the clarity of the text is really impressive. One thing about the Xteink brand is that they focus on accessibility, simple devices that support common formats like EPUB, PDF, and text, without locking you into a store. You can load your own files, sideload books, and just read. It's straightforward, budget-friendly, and perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a no-nonsense reading device. If you're curious about budget e-readers or you want to see how the X4 compares to my Kobo, make sure you subscribe. I'll be doing side-by-side comparisons, setup tips, and showing how I use each device for stress relief and travel. So that's the unboxing of the Xteink X4. It's simple, lightweight, and honestly, a great little reader for the price. I'm excited to test it out more and see how it fits into my reading routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep reading, keep vibing, and take care of yourselves. Thanks for hanging with me in Shelby's Vibe. If you needed this today as much as I did, I'm glad you're here. Subscribe for more calm, cozy, happy girl energy. And remember, take a deep breath. You've got this. See you next time.